What's up, guys? I'm back. Me back. Well, I am contestant number 20 in the 10K Yachty giveaway. I was also contestant number 2. I won number 2 as well. And they tell us say I am going to enter again. All you need to do is refer 3 persons and you'll have a chance to win. When they post the things on their site, all you need to do is screenshot it and send it to their WhatsApp number and say, this is mine. It's that easy, and you'll have a chance to win. Well, this gift it's a drone, and I promised my son that I was going to win it for him. Hip hip, hooray! Yeah, thank you for being the best shipping company. The best shipping company, because this was fast. The same day I won it, it's the same day them send it off, and you get it already. Fast, reliable shipping company. What else you want? Best. On sleep on this. And I like we're gatekeep. We're sharing information, so just get on it. And best believe they'll enter again.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.